Hello everyone. How are you today? I am Hina Sheikh. On behalf of St. Paul's High School, I welcome you all. In this video, we are going to learn the remaining part of the lesson from Balbharti textbook. That is lesson number 6. It's only a matter of practice part 2. But kids, do you remember what we learned in the previous video of this lesson? No? So let's get updated ourselves. Please watch the video till the end. Okay? Let's get started. Hello everyone. Our today's lesson is from Balbharti textbook for standard 4. The name of the lesson is It's Only a Matter of Practice, Part 2. So, dear children, let's revise before seeing the next part of the story. So, let's start. Lesson number 6. It's only a matter of practice. Children, in this lesson, there are two characters, Chen Yaozi and an old man who sells oil. In this story, Chen Yaozi is an archer. Archer means one who shoots arrow from the bow. He used to show his skills. He used to perform various kinds of tricks, and people were admiring his skills. Always they were clapping for him, praising him. One day in a crowd there was an old man who used to sell oil, and when the people were admiring Chen Yaozi, he saw that this old man was just nodding head, and he gets very angry with this man that he is not appreciating me. So he goes and asks this old man. Old man says, whatever you are performing is just a part of your practice. Chen Yaozi becomes very angry. He is annoyed. What this old man knows that he passes such thoughtless comments. But the old man says, don't get angry, sir. I am an oil seller. And you must have guessed by seeing the gourds. Every day I fill these gourds with oil and sell them. Over the years, I have achieved the skill in filling these gourds with oil. If you allow, I will show it to you. Everybody is curious to see what happens next. So kids, now we move to the remaining part of the story. Patiently, the old man sat down an empty gourd on the ground. Then he put a small coin on the mouth of the gourd. In those days, small coins had a little hole at the center. Then the old man stood up, took some oil in his ladle, and began to pour oil into the gourd from a height. The oil went straight into the gourd through the hole in the coin. When the old man had finished filling up the gourd, he lifted up the coin. Not a trace of oil could be seen on it. So kids, this is amazing. What did the old man do? He kept his gourd and placed a coin on it, on the top of the mouth of the gourd. And on that coin was a hole in the center. Now he used a ladle. What is a ladle? It is a large deep spoon with a long handle. Now, when he did this, it went straight into the gourd, and the people watching were surprised. How could this be done so easily? They thought. The people were speechless. We move to the next paragraph. The people watching it were speechless with wonder. But the old man only smiled. As I said, there's nothing special about it. It's only a matter of practice. You see, Chen Yaozi lost all his anger and annoyance. He just gave a short laugh and said, "You have taught me something important today." After that, Chen Yaozi never showed off or boasted about his skill as an archer. Now, here, watching the old man perform or fill the gourd, people were speechless. Speechless means unable to speak or say anything. Looking at the wonderful action, the old man only smiled and did not say anything to boast about himself. He once again said, "It's only a matter of practice." Now, Chen Yaozi lost all his anger. He was not angry at all. He just laughed, a short laugh, and said, "You have taught me something important today." And he stopped boasting about his skills as an archer. Boasted or boasting means praising about one's own self. Now, today, from this lesson, we learned an important lesson for our life. That is, we should not be proud and always remember that practice makes a man perfect. Hoping kids, you have understood with the lesson. So let us begin with the discussion of our homework or assignment. Question number 1. Give meanings. Number 1. Goats. Number 2. Skilled. Number 3. Archerer. Number 4. Feats. Question number 2. Use the following words in sentences of your own. Number 1. Annoyed. Number 2. Boasted. Number 3. Show off. Question number 3. Write the answers to the following questions. Number 1. Who was Chen Yaozi? Number 2. What did Chen Yaozi like? Number 3. What did the old man say? Number 4. What did Chen Yaozi tell the old man at the end? Hoping kids, you must have understood with the homework. That's all for today. Take care of yourself and your family members. Bye. Thank you for watching the video.